Hello followers. Today, we use K518 Pro to program the 2019 Nissan Altima's smart key. Let's see, this car has been dismantled, so the ignition button is here. Now we use K518 Pro, a great tool, to program a new key. Select the IMO. Choose Nissan. Select from Vehicle. Select Asia. Select Altima. We chose the menu after 2019. Select Smart Key. Program Smart Key. Turn the ignition off, turn on the hazard lights. For this car has been dismantled, the hazard light button is here. Turn on hazard lights. According to the operation instructions, check the BCM number of this car. Here's a warning, do not perform the program key function on these two models, because that'll cause errors. Okay. Close all the doors. Open the door once, then close it. All keys will be deleted. Click OK. Set for keys at most. Click OK. Press the start button. Attach this key to the ignition button within 5 seconds, then press the start button. Click and attach the key. The dashboard will light up automatically. The immobilizer light flashes 5 times. OK, after scanning we click OK. Turn off the ignition. Program successfully. Whether to program the next key? Yes, let's get the new key. Program the new key in the same way. Press and attach the key to the start button. Wait until the dashboard turns on. The immobilizer light flashes 5 times, then goes off. Turn off the ignition. OK, the new key has been programmed successfully. Whether it matches the next one, cancel. Use the first key to attach the ignition switch, then press it. It's gotta have a continuous beep. At this moment, the programming process has been completed. Click OK to proceed. This car has been dismantled, so the dashboard will indicate that key registration is complete. However, this car has many breakdowns, so it's hard to show that here. OK, the program has been completed. Let's test the remote control. Turn off the ignition. And then the switch is off, and now turning off the phone switch to show the key is done. Let's check the remote control. Turn hazard lights off. Listen to the beep sound. OK, the remote control works well. Let's start the car. Step on the brake. Engine starts normally. K518 Pro programmed the smart key for the 2019 Nissan Altima successfully.